Sputnik 5th corona vaccine has been made by the Russian government, by Russia. We have to see this vaccine will work in the every nook and corner of the world or not, in every temperature. In coronavirus, temperature plays a very important role in how much days, how many days the patient will take to recover. Russia have launched it and claimed formally its vaccine will work throughout the world. Its production has been started. A large number of the order about this vaccine, Sputnik 5th, was given to the Russian government. But as per Indian circumstances, we have to see, we will find, as per Hindu mythology, a number of the festivals are coming. Raksha Bandhan, we have celebrated. Today we are celebrating Janmashtami, and in coming days we have to celebrate a number of the festival like Dasahara, Deepavali and other thing. So this is the time we have to restrain ourselves, because if we are going to the fact of the lockdown 1, lockdown 2, lockdown 3, and then unlock 1, unlock 2, unlock 3, then we will find whenever the unlocking process is going on, coronavirus cases has surged very mightily in India. When we have 400 cases of COVID-19, all India were the lockdown. But at this time, we had more than 22 lakhs cases, and we are in process for the unlockdown. We have to unlock the economy. This is the government responsibility how to operate the economy, but it is dependable on us. How can we secure ourselves? Indian festival and ourselves, there is a big connection. Festivals are public meeting, marriage, these are interconnected to each other, intertwined to each other. Unlocking process is going on. But to fight against corona, to claim victory on corona, we need to control ourselves, our desire to meet our relatives at any cost. Whenever we are, we have to stay there. Unlocking process only is going on the behalf of the Indian economy. Our population is the 130 crore. So such a big economy cannot be held down. Unemployment is growing on. Slowly and slowly, the situation is going to normalize. If we go from a place to another place by our own vehicle or public transport, but we will find one thing is clear: climate has been changed. In which climate we are living at this place? After that 100 kilometer, 200 kilometer, 250 kilometers, we will find the climate has been changed, weather will be changed. Coronavirus at this time, it is spreading all over the world. If we go from one place to another place, then we will find our body will face new kind of the coronavirus. So this is the high time to control ourselves. I want to a big appeal to you, to all of you. Be safe, be secure, stay in your home, stay where you are. If we will be able to control our desire to meet our relatives, to meet our friends, to meet our public meetings, then it will be a victory of our mental health and our social health, both. I am Rahul Kumar Misra from my YouTube channel Diplomatic Guru. Please watch my video, give me the feedback, positive or negative doesn't matter. Comment and share it. Thank you.